So how does the timer works in this stove? Alright, the first thing we need to do, we select which circle we want to use. I will select this one, and that means I'll have to use this one, which is the correspondence. First of all, I'll have to switch off the locker, which sometimes it's on, and then, as I was saying, I will choose this circle. Well, first I have to turn it on. Turn it on and select which one you want to use. Now this is just a normal way on how to use the stove, but now we want to use the timer. Alright, so the timer is here, but it's not easy to understand how to make it work. That's how I'm making this video, why I'm making this video. So you select it here again, alright, and then it will disappear the other zeros and these two will blink. Alright, I'll do it again. Okay, now when this blinks, we can already choose for how long we want the timer. Let's say I want the timer for 2 minutes. Okay, for 2 minutes we leave it like that, and let's see. I will press forward and let's see in 2 minutes this will start beeping, so you know the time has passed. All right, that's how we use it.